It is a beautiful day today. It's a bit of overcast, rain in the morning, but I believe that's only here in Silang, Cavite. Anyway, today is game day. Playing my first sevens. This is round 2. I didn't play the first round. I was super busy. Super duper busy. It's time to start Franco, no? Huh? Hello.
I'll text you, let you know if it's open, if we can actually do it or not.
Okay, alright, thanks.
Alright.
Of course you can. Thank you, Daddy. Found a stranger. We have to go and get our insurance fixed. Oi, quick! Oi. From the insurance office. We have to take a detour to get our insurance fixed before heading to the field. There are 4 of us, so now we are heading to the field now. Glenn knows the shortcut. Can't be jaywalking if it's orange light all the way. Thank you. I can't believe you watched that. Mr. Popeye.
Oh, BBC! You're alive! Huh?
Just nice.
Okay,
But
can we share?
But if 3 people die, we get the money. So I'm trying to take them on a boat trip. Sips. So, after we're done with our insurance, we walked all the way from the insurance place all the way to the field. Not that far. Glenn knows the way, so we walked here. And now the Hibbons are preparing themselves to play. And we are also playing next now with the Nomads, first game. So I'm actually on the bench, which is awesome. Yeah, so much injury. I got my ankle tape, hamstring tape. This guy keep on laughing at me the whole time. I don't know why.
He's talking to himself again.
Yeah. Getting old.
This is probably the sixth game. Fourth game. We won we just played our first game. Done our first game. We won it. We played against Mavericks, and we won. So we're waiting after the girls. After the girls play, after this game, Apons and Calabaos, we will go again for our second game.
The Apons are playing. That's Dan and Glenn are playing with the Apons. And Fritz, 3 of the Eagles. I mean, Apons nowadays are basically Eagles. But in sevens, they decide to do their own team.
Give it to Glenn! Give it to Glenn!
Celebrate the video, shame me.
That one, mate, that one.
Can you sign my jersey, please? Sign it, please.
Hey, 1 gear. Go, go.
No, come on, go back.
Nice. That's our PM right there. The Ebons, they lost all their games. Hopefully they win this one. This is the final game against the Carabaos. The lights are on. And we are playing under the lights. Actually it's good for fitness, no fatigue from the sun. My cameraman is playing right now. Let's go, Chris!
Go, go, go!
Yeah, so we beat the Hong Kong boys. And now we are waiting to play the Nomads on our pool game. And then we're gonna play finals.
Tastes like chicken.
Bad idea, right? Never be like you. It's a bad idea.
Second last, third last.
Last pool game.
Last pool game. After that is grand final.
Playing against
Next,
Nomads.
play against Nomads.
Trying to ditch me.
Look at me.
Right there.
Make it a long way around.
What's up?
So say hi to Francis vlog. For Francis's followers, you know, I met this guy years ago. I didn't know what to think of him, but
Nice guy?
he's come around and he's a nice guy.
This is the nice guy.
Oh, no,
he's
Francis is a nice guy. Francis.
Oh, the nice guy. Hell yeah.
I'm trying to be like him.
Whoever is on the wing, you hold the ball and stop. You get a point. So we can kick. I look around, there was no one pointing the kick.
And it's the second half of our last pool game, Manila Nomads versus Eagles RFC. Up next, we will...
That's the real Prime Minister there. Anyway, we are done for the day. We lost the last game with the Nomads. Due to points difference, the Nomads made it through the finals. So. Beautiful day, beautiful game. Anyway, the Nomads beat us by 2 tries, I believe. So the Hong Kong boys and Manila Nomads are playing the grand final. Oh well, that was the day of the party. So win the final.
From the reaction on the field, it looks like it's Nomads. Fluke though. They earned it. But
What did the Nomads do?
oh, they got a fluke victory over us, and they got a fluke victory in the final. So you know, it's just one of those off days, eh?
You had an off day today.
We finished our game around. We left the field. Sorry, not finished. 9:39, and we decided to walk, stretch some leg, walking all the way to probably Pioneer or something. And this, yeah, Pioneer. We are in not Pasig, but we are in Pasig. We are going to Pioneer.
What is Pioneer?
It's a
Street.
Pioneer Street.
I was asking the content creator.
Pioneer Street. Yeah. Our 2 leaders are in front leading us. This is Glenn's idea. It's like a nice mall. When we went here, I didn't know that this mall exists until I started playing here in Ultra. Oh, wait there. Anyway, we just got back from Manila and it's 6 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, it's a beautiful sunrise. We stayed up there, we went out, eat some food, and then hang out with the boys, watch some rugby, and then hang out with the boys until, yeah, morning. And then we drive around, drop the boys to Silangan. And then, yeah, it's 6 o'clock now. It's a beautiful sunrise when driving here. So like driving back, we went to Silangan. Yeah, I know you don't know where Silangan is if you are not from the Philippines. But yeah, Silangan is one of the areas in the Philippines. From the Laguna area. Anyway, even though we lost, have a wonderful game. It's good that, we go out and play again. The Nomads and the Mahalikans, they went to the grand final and the Nomads beat them. I don't know the score, but the Nomads beat them. So the second leg, Nomads come out victorious. So yeah, that was the day. Yesterday, it's 6 a.m. new day, Sunday. So see you on the next one.